this. You do me like this.
Not be juju be that.
Let's go there. Alright guys, mount your camera on the tripod using landscape. You get my point. So now record as if you are sleeping. So I'm using this particular spot as where I'm sleeping. Get my point. So you lie down there for a while and then be steady. Then you can get up as if you receive a shock. Get up with a shock, jump up. When you are done with that, you save the video to your gallery. Then you record another video. Now this other video is where what you will use to be your dream. You get my point. So you walk in, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use another place. Then you can walk in there using landscape also, as if you are doing something like what I'm doing. So you can start receiving a shock, or can start behaving as if you see something on the ground. You get my point. That should be your imagination. You do it well. So when you are done, you run away. So that is justice for that one. Now when you are done with all these ones, you can now save the video to your gallery. Then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you recorded. Now the video you are sitting, the second video you recorded is what I'm talking about. You get my point here. So now this is where I want it to start. You click on the layer, tap on split. Now delete the beginning of the video so the video can start from here. So something like this. So at this point you tap on overlay, click on add overlay, where you will bring your green screen effect. So you have to bring your green screen effect right here. So look at it here. So what you will have to do next is you go to remove BG, tap on chroma key. I wanted it to play so I would see how the character, the effect will be. So when you tap on chroma key, look, this is how it is now. So now hover the circle to where it will show green. So as you can see, the intensity here is already at 20. So now increase it to 50. Now drag the shadow to 100. You get my point. So from here, tap on OK. Let's go. Understand? So look at it here. So what you need to do from here is to adjust it so it will fit with when you are raising your eyes to see what's happening on the ground. Understand? So what you do next is for you to place two fingers on your screen and make sure you adjust it the way you see it to fit with the video. You get my point? So guys, I noticed that the skeleton will even move faster before I get up. So what I had to do next is to slow down the speed. So from here, I tap on the effect layer, tap on speed, tap on normal. Tap on normal from here. Now reduce it to 0.6. I'll leave it at 0.6. Tap on OK. You get my point? So that it will work the way I think better. You get my point? So guys, please like this video so YouTube can distribute it to many other people. You get my point? Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Understand? Share this video on your social media platforms. We want to grow. You get my point? So from here you can tap on this navigation button. Let's go back so you understand what I'm talking about. So to adjust the ending part of the video, you tap on the layer at the ending part of it, tap on split. Now click on delete. The same thing with the first layer here. You do the same thing. You tap on split and then delete it. So you adjust it to how you want your video to end. Guys, you get my point? So guys, at this point you can see we still have green color on the effect. So what we have to do from here is tap on the effect layer. So go and look for adjust. See adjust here. Now click on adjust. Now click on tap on adjust, bro. Now click on HSL. Understand? So bring these colors to green, put it on green. Now tap on the saturation, drag it to -100. As you can see, the color is no more green. Understand? The green screen effect now has changed the color. So you can tap on OK and then let's go back. You get my point? That's how to change the color. So I believe you get it from here. I believe you understand what I'm talking about. You get my point. So guys, if you're a complete beginner and you wish to learn about video editing, you get my point. Chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. Understand? So but take note, it's not free. I charge, though it's not much. You get my point. So there I'll teach you everything, how to get green screen effects for free, how to edit, from everything you need to know about video editing. So that is just it, guys. So now when you are done with all these settings, you can now save your video to your gallery. You get my point. So that's just it. So when your video is saved, what you have to do is click on done, click on new project, import the video where you were sleeping. Just bring the video you were sleeping, bring it to hand. So as you can see at the beginning of the video, I was walking in, so I had to tap on the layer and then split and then delete the beginning of it, because I just wanted to start from where I am sleeping. So I noticed my leg was still swinging. So from here I want to tap on the layer, then go and look for freeze. Let's go. Okay, now see freeze here. Now click on freeze. So now I'll move the video to where the character wants to jump up. So at this point where the character wants to jump up, I'll tap on the layer, tap on split, then I will have to delete the middle part. I'll delete the middle part. So now I will tap on this particular layer where the character is jumping. Understand? So I will go and look for overlay. Overlay. Alright, see overlay. Click on overlay. So now drag it, just take it away from the main video. Shift it. You get my point? Take it away. Don't delete it. You get my point? So now you have to tap on add overlay. So you have to bring the video, the last video you edited. So you have to bring the video to Capcut. Now this is the video. But there is how I want this video to come in, so it will look like the person is dreaming and this is the person's dream. So tap on the layer, go to animation. Now click on animation. Now there are a series of animations here, but I want just to check on this particular one here. Now so this is the one I want us to choose. So now increase the effect from 0.5 to 1.1. So leave it at 1.1, then you can now tap OK. So let's see how it's going to be. So it will be something like this, just like somebody is dreaming. You get my point? So now join the other video at the end. Just make sure you join it at the end of this other layer. You get my point? So you can place it somewhere here, so it will be as soon as the skeleton leaves the screen, then the character can now jump up immediately. So it will align very well. So guys, so that's just it about this particular one. You can now tap on this layer, now tap on split and then delete the ending part of it, as this is how I want my own to end. You get my point? So when you are done, you can now save the video to your gallery. Understand? Alright, see you guys in our next video.